Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I am going to show you how to make group discussion topics on Canvas for the LMS2 I'm going over. So first off, you want to make sure you're logged into Canvas. Be on your dashboard, click on your class that you created last time that I showed you how to create. For this one, we're going to click on discussions right here on the left side where everything else is at right here. Click on discussions. You're going to add discussion here in the top right corner. We will call this group week 1 group discussions. If you scroll down, you want to do post it to your class. Then it says group discussion. So this is a group discussion, and select that group category. We already created groups called discussion groups, so we're going to do that. Then you go to save. That would be the next part. And that's it. After that, you can add anything, you can publish it and stuff like that, and that's it. Thank you for your time.